Hey guys, welcome to the farm. Welcome to Steadfast. We do all things life on the farm here, and today I am making 10 pounds of soap. So I have divided it into two separate. I'm going to do the same soap, but just I divided my lye, I divided my oils. I have a purple Brazilian clay with alkanet root powder in oil. So I have that for the purple part that I'm going to use. I have lavandin and cedarwood, which is the very bottom note, and also lemongrass. So most of it is lavandin, but I have it in here in my kaolin clay, and I'll be dividing it. The total ounce in here with the kaolin clay and my essential oils and everything is about 6 ounces, so I know I'm going to divide it into 3 for each 5-pound loaf that I'll be making. Now, the reason why I'm doing two separate, even though it's the same soap, is my desire is I want to create a purple layer, my glasses, a purple layer at the bottom and a cream layer at the top. And I want to bring, once I have the soap in, I want to bring my tool down here, my swirl tool. I want to bring it down and I want to come center, that lets me slide, and around and then back up. So I'm trying to create some type of, I don't know, we'll see if it works out. The good thing is even if my design doesn't work out, I know that my ingredients are top-notch organic oils. I don't add any artificial anything in my soap. This here, isn't that beautiful, is all what I'm thinking about for the top, thinking of spring. So that's what I might be topping with. Now, once I get done with the actual soap in there, yeah, I might not utilize all these. I might use some of them. So that'll be fun to find out. So there's a number of reasons why I want to videotape soaping. So one is I love doing it. I want to, to encourage others. So many other soapers have encouraged me with their videos. And the other is for maybe those that buy my soap want to see how I make it, and want to check out what my process is. And then the other reason is I need to come back and be able to see what I've done if I want to recreate it. So it helps me to remember what I did do. So this is my lye solution. And my oils, again, this is half and half of what my whole total oil weight and whole total lye weight is. It just makes it easier to do one loaf at a time, especially when I'm trying a new design. So the good thing is, if I try this design that I'm thinking of and I don't think it's worked, I can do something else with the other one utilizing the same color. So here we go. I will bring a stick blender in, but I'm just gonna help mold this. This is coconut milk that I'm using in lye. I don't add any sodium lactate. I actually have a very reduced water in my soap. I soap a little over 18%. It comes down to being 1.31 water to lye ratio. Okay, so now I want to put I'm going to shake this up again, my essential oils and my kaolin clay. And I know I've tared it so it's not picking up this weight. It's at 0. So I'm going to add 3 ounces because I know there's 6 in here total with the essential oils and the kaolin clay.
outside of your dreams, 'cause you might miss the moment he's reaching out his hand. And you look beyond all your things, 'cause you might overlook that she's asking you to dance. You gotta give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got for love. And you set aside all your plans, 'cause you won't understand when you're standing face to face. And you take a risk on the day. You will never regret how your life is gonna change. You gotta give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment.
Okay, back the next day to cut, and I just discovered something very interesting. This is the top of the first one.
No matter the risk or the
Look at the color.
road you take.
It's not purple. So I used alkanet root powder and Brazilian purple clay. So I don't know if it's because the air hasn't gotten to it and it hasn't turned its color. Sorry, my arm is right in the way. But let's see. And I don't know if my little swirl worked out in the center. This is my new soap cutter. I'm so excited. When you see this video, it'll be probably almost a month later after me getting it. But all right, so wow, not purple. Kind of happy with the color choices though. It really fits in really great. So let's get this cut. Let me see. All right, here we go. Hopefully it's, oh, do I have it down the right way? Yeah.
Is that hard?
It's very hard to move. All right, let's see what it did inside. Oh my gosh.
It looks like cherries.
I love it. Wait a minute, did I cut? I didn't expect it to do that
That's like
shape
cherries.
with the movement I did, but that looks real. It almost looks like vines growing up like flower. I love it. I was not expecting this color though, but I'm very happy it turned that color. The wonderful thing about soaping is that you just never know what you're gonna get. That is really cool. All right, let's look at a few more. Oh my gosh. I had to hold it up to the actual camera. Let me see if the light is doing too much. Can you see it better that way? Of course, I don't have my glasses on. I really like that. So now I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it. I don't know what to call it. I'll think of it. Yeah, I'm really surprised at the design of the, but I like it. All right, let me finish pulling these out, and I actually have to move that because I can't open my soap cutter. Wow, I am really happy with that. But the movement that I did with the thing, with whatever it's called, the tool, I wouldn't imagine this being the outcome, but I love it. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm going to clean off my soap cutter and check the other one. This will be interesting. Oh, wow. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this one I did a little different on the top. Same botanicals. And this is, I think I used a little less. Okay, this is really cool. I used a little less alkanet root powder and the Brazilian purple clay. Look at that. So this one I did a zigzag motion up and down, so let's see what we have. So the reason I can put all these botanicals on, I was part of a soaping group a while back, and I did a soap and had all these botanicals on it, and people were commenting and saying, hate to break it to you, but those are going to turn brown. Just a lot of people kept telling me that's not going to work out. Those are going to be brown. And because I can do it, because I soap at such a low water content or low milk content, and I've been enjoying kind of debunking some myths in soaping. All right, so this is the zigzag one. Let's see. Oh, I like this one too. I kind of like, I don't know, I'm torn on which one I like better. But I'm looking at the other soap that I just cut, and it's pretty much staying this color. It's not turning purple. But I like that. I kind of like it better than actual purple. So can y'all see that? I'm going to put this over here so y'all can see. Let's do that one down there. Yeah, I do like this. I think I'll do this design again for sure. Very cool. All right, so I don't have the date. I will have by the time I edit this, the date these will be available. Really fresh spring scent. It's not really strong scent of lemongrass, but it's there for sure. Oh, I love it. Let me turn the light on. Sometimes I'm afraid it's gonna wash it out, but okay, I'm really pleased. Let's do a fast forward. I'll finish these.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song. Sing, you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life